Hi, Pete Smith here with another Martin Molloy Stereo Sound Check. A public service we provide for those listening on genuine stereo receivers. For those with a broken right speaker who just can't be bothered getting it fixed, well, you can't hear a word I'm saying at the moment, so suffer in your jocks, you cheap lazy bastards. Oop. We apologize for that brief break in transmission. And now it's time for the Stereo Sound Check. Okay, if your receiver is functioning correctly, I should appear to be precisely halfway between your left and right speakers. Just to be certain, here's a wacky sound effect. Now, listeners, in order to test your left speaker, I'll require your assistance. I'm wearing a brand new set of rollerblades. I'm not completely comfortable in them, but my 12-year-old son assures me that I do in fact look, quote, filth, unquote. Now, if you at home could go to your radio, that's it, and lift it up. Don't be shy, come on. Whoa, careful, use both hands. Okay, now very carefully, tilt it to the left. Whoa, gently, whoa, there. I should now appear to be on your extreme left, and while I'm over here, I might just see what they're up to at the next station along on the FM band. Let's see, this should be ABC FM. Now that's what I call music. Beethoven's classic theme from the Old Spice commercial. Now to test your right speaker, simply tilt your radio in the opposite direction. Oh no! I'm heading straight for Campus Radio Triple Z! Oh no, this is a disaster! What the... Oh no, I must have dropped my mobile back at the left speaker. You at home, could you please tilt back the other way? Whoa! Oh, got it! Hello? Who? The station manager. Yes, I know. I think it's the new one from Butthole Surfers. Yes, I realize it's not exactly our demographic. I tell you what, pick up your radio. Right, now tilt it hard to the left.
Hey, who did that?
There, how's that? You what? No, don't tilt your radio backwards. Whoa! This is Pete Smith signing off from another Stereo Sound Check.